In Saudi Arabia, every project faces the same challenge: extreme heat, intense UV, dust storms, and tight construction deadlines. For developers and contractors, one failure matters. When paint cracks, fades, or peels, the entire project suffers. Across the kingdom, companies are searching for coatings that last longer, reduce maintenance costs, and meet the demands of Vision 2030's rapid expansion. From Pakistan, Gobi's Paints brings decades of experience in producing durable, high-performance coatings designed for harsh climates. Formulations built to resist heat, colors engineered to withstand UV, finishes that stay strong through dust, humidity, and time. For contractors, this means fewer callbacks. For developers, this means lower long-term maintenance costs. For distributors, this means a reliable product with consistent quality. As Saudi Arabia builds new cities, new homes, and new infrastructure, the need for dependable coatings has never been greater. Gobi's Paints is ready to support the kingdom's growth with solutions that perform where it matters most: on the ground, under the sun, and in real-world conditions. To explore partnership opportunities or express your interest, reach out at contact@arabia2030.co. Gobi's Paints, built for tough environments, ready for Saudi Arabia.